I know that the masked magician has exposed this trick, but he wasn't the first, so in the same spirit I offer my version. The trick is traditionally done with a horse and rider, which shows you how old it is. These days a motorcycle is usually used. The trick goes like this. The magician, helmeted, appears on stage before a live audience. He rides into a crate. The crate is raised off the ground. Suddenly, the crate collapses. The motorbike and rider have seemingly vanished. Soon, the bike and rider appear from the wings. The rider is indeed the magician. How can this possibly be done? The rider is on a secret shelf hidden behind material designed to look like the backdrop to the stage. The original rider is not the magician, but someone of the same build, hidden by the helmet. The magician, on a duplicate bike, rides onto the stage and reveals himself. Finally, it is time to jump the shark.